what you need some tooling for to replace the grip is a hammer, a file, sandpaper, the gloves, the glue, the mixing pallet, replacement handle, a saw, a scissor, cloth, and the linseed oil. First you take the wooden dowel and a file and you make it a little bit pepper. Then you take the dowel, the hammer, and put it here in the hole and just slowly kick it. Slowly, because otherwise the handle might split. I mean, actually you can see it's too long over here and over here. Take the saw, cut it up, other side, so. Take the sandpaper, both sides. First, you have to prepare the two components glue. First, sand grip, then take the grip. After you waited one day, the glue actually has done its job. You can see it's not smoothly towards the handle. So we have to take it off with the sandpaper. Last final step is to windshield the oil. You have to do this and repeat this 2 or 3 times. Okay, and here the end result. As you can see now, we don't drill a hole in it and put a wooden dowel in, because the two components glue is so strong that actually you don't need a wooden dowel anymore.